morning. So we're back. As you can see, that looks alright. I do need to tighten up some of these welds a little bit because there's a few holes in there, but I'll get that done at a later date. But today I'm looking at doing the battery tray and the strut that comes into here. I'm gonna refresh those, and this is what it looks like. So we've got quite a bit there to replace, but that's quite a flat panel. I think I might be able to do that. I don't know. I'm gonna have a go at refreshing it, seeing what I can do. All the rust get treated. To be fair, it's probably easier just to buy a brand new one. However, I'm gonna see what I can do here. Also, I'm gonna get this back to metal, sprayed up, and we'll see if we can get that on. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I've got quite a long day on it as well. So yeah, let's do it. it's actually been quite a long day today. Taken quite a lot to do this battery tray. Lots of trimming and cutting, as you've seen. And here it is in all its glory. I think that's pretty good. And then over there we've got the strut. So to be fair, got to get a little bit in there. I'll tidy that up next time and attach the top. But yeah, I think that's a job well done. Anyway, so next week we'll get this spot welded on, that spot welded on, do the bit down the back, and then we'll start on this front bit just here. And then we might be able to get the front on aligned. But it seems to be coming together now. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe, because it really would be nice if you could share the journey we're having together with as many people that love these retro 1988 XR2. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.